Realme 5i with quad rear cameras, 5000 mAh battery launched. Price, specifications. Realme 5i was launched on Monday as expected in Vietnam, and it is a slightly watered-down version of the Realme 5. The Realme 5i packs a quad rear camera setup that includes dedicated wide-angle and macro snappers. It comes equipped with a 5000 mAh battery and sports a 6.52-inch display with a water-drop notch. Just as a prior retailer listing had revealed, the Realme 5i is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC paired with up to 4 GB of RAM. Following its launch in Vietnam, the Realme 5i has been officially confirmed to launch in India on January 9. Realme 5i price. Realme 5i is priced at 3,690,000 Vietnamese dongs, roughly 11,500 rupees, for the base variant with 3 GB RAM plus 32 GB storage, while the top-tier model with 4 GB RAM plus 64 GB storage has been priced at 4,290,000 Vietnamese dongs, roughly 13,500 rupees. The new Realme phone comes in blue and green color options, and is now up for sale from multiple online retailers in Vietnam. Realme 5i specifications. The dual SIM Realme 5i runs Android Pie with ColorOS 6.0.1 on top. It packs a 6.5-inch HD+ 720 by 1600 pixels display with a water-drop notch, 1200:1 contrast ratio, and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 Plus for protection. The display has 89% screen-to-body ratio, and is claimed to deliver 480 nits of peak brightness. The new Realme phone draws power from the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC paired with up to 4 GB of RAM. Realme 5i packs a quad rear camera setup that includes a main 12-megapixel camera with an f1.8 aperture. It is assisted by an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera with an f2.25 lens and a 118.9-degree viewing angle, a 2-megapixel portrait camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera with 4 cm close-up range. On the front is an 8-megapixel camera with an f2.0 aperture. Camera features include 4K video capture at 30 fps, SLO-MO video recording at 120 fps, and Super Night Mode. Realme 5i comes equipped with a 5000 mAh battery with support for 10W charging. It offers up to 64 GB of onboard storage that can further be expanded via a micro SD card, up to 256 GB. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, and GPS. Sensors on board the Realme 5i are a compass, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, and fingerprint sensor for authentication. Dimensions of the Realme phone are 164.4 x 75 by 9.3 mm, and it tips the scales at 195 grams. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.